Hi everyone, aviation lovers, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlie. Today we're going to embark on an exciting VFR flight aboard a classic Cessna 172. We are at the beautiful Veracruz airport and we are going to explore everything about this amazing aircraft and enjoy a fascinating local flight. So without further ado, let's hop on board and take off.
Before taking off, let's chat a bit about the Cessna 172. This plane is a famed figure in general aviation and is known for its dependability. It features a rugged design and has VFR flight capability, which means we'll be navigating more visually rather than utilizing instruments. The Cessna 172 is a top-notch airplane offering stability and easy cabin access. The tricycle-style landing gear allows the plane to move with great ease on the ground, and the propeller in the nose is powered by a very reliable Lycon engine. Inside we have a comfortable and well-equipped cabin. Before we start the engine, we check all the controls and systems. The control sticks, pedals and flight indicators are essential for operating the aircraft safely. The distinctive sound of the Lycoming engine roars to life as the plane prepares for flight. During this time, we also check the oil pressure and temperature gauges. Now, we're all set to take off. We'll adjust the rudder and power up gradually as we roll down the runway. The Cessna 172 takes off without a hitch, and we soar into the sky above Veracruz. Takeoff happens once we reach between 60 and 65 knots of speed. As we take in the scenery, let's discuss the speeds and limitations of the Cessna 172. Its typical cruising speed is approximately 85 to 90 knots, and we have to consider the structural speed limitations and other factors to fly safely. As we approach the end of our flight, it's time to discuss returning to the airport. We check our altitude, look at the traffic, and make contact with the tower to request permission to approach and land. here we are back at the Veracruz airport. We make a nice, gentle touchdown, roll out down the runway. It's been an exciting flight in the Cessna 172, exploring its features and enjoying the beauty of Veracruz from above. Thanks for joining me on this exciting VFR flight in the Cessna 172. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it. Subscribe for more aviation content and leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see in future videos. See you next time. Catch you in the sky.